Guide to a Healthy and Beautiful Nails. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of nail care, sharing all the secrets to achieving nails that are not only stunning, but also strong and healthy. Whether you're a nail newbie or a pro, this video is packed with tips, tricks, and expert advice to help you elevate your nail game to the next level. Get ready to say goodbye to brittle nails and hello to nails that are not only gorgeous, but also resilient. Note that nail care encompasses a range of practices and habits aimed at maintaining the health, strength, and appearance of the nails. It involves both external care, such as grooming and applying products, as well as internal factors like diet and overall health. This video will cover how to take care of your nails and how to have a beautiful nails. Are you ready? Let's start. How to take care of your nails. Protect your nails. Wear gloves when performing tasks that expose your nails to harsh chemicals or excessive moisture. Cleaning agents, dishwashing detergents, and even prolonged exposure to water can weaken nails, making them more susceptible to damage. Practice gentle nail care. Trim your nails regularly using sharp, clean clippers or scissors. Cut them straight across to prevent ingrown nails, and then use a gentle nail file to shape them. Avoid rough emery boards, as they can cause splitting and damage to the nail surface. Moisturize cuticles. Keep your cuticles soft and supple by regularly applying a nourishing cuticle oil or cream. Gently massage the product into your cuticles to promote blood circulation and encourage healthy nail growth. Choose nail-friendly products. When selecting nail polish and nail care products, opt for formulas that are free from harsh chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and dibutyl phthalate, DBP. These chemicals can strip the nails of moisture and cause them to become brittle over time. Allow nails to breathe. While it's fun to experiment with nail polish and nail art, give your nails a break from time to time. Allow them to go polish-free for a few days to let them breathe and recover from any potential damage caused by prolonged polish wear. Maintain good hygiene. Keep your nails clean by washing them regularly with a mild soap and warm water. Pay extra attention to cleaning underneath your nails to remove dirt and bacteria that can lead to infections. Address nail issues promptly. If you notice any changes in the color, texture, or shape of your nails, don't ignore them. Addressing issues like discoloration, thickening, or nail fungus early on can prevent further damage and promote faster recovery. Practice patience. Achieving beautiful, healthy nails takes time and consistency. Be patient with your nail care routine and give your nails the care and attention they deserve. With dedication and proper care, you'll soon enjoy nails that are not only beautiful, but also strong and healthy. Nourish from within. Start with a balanced diet rich in nutrients vital for nail health. Include foods high in protein, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes, which provide the building blocks for strong nails. Incorporate sources of biotin, like nuts, seeds, and whole grains, as this vitamin is essential for nail growth and strength. Hydrate for hydration. Just as hydration is essential for your skin, it's crucial for your nails too. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your nails hydrated from the inside out. Moisturized nails are less prone to brittleness and breakage. Now, on to the next part. How to have a beautiful nails. Creating beautiful nails involves a combination of proper care, grooming techniques, and attention to detail. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you achieve stunning nails. Start with clean nails. Before you begin any nail care routine, make sure your nails are clean and free from any polish or debris. Remove old polish using an acetone-free nail polish remover to avoid drying out your nails. Shape your nails. Choose a nail shape that complements your fingers and suits your style. Common nail shapes include square, round, oval, almond, or stiletto. Use a nail file to shape your nails evenly, working in one direction to prevent splitting and damage. Soak and soften. For an at-home spa experience, soak your nails in warm, soapy water for a few minutes to soften the cuticles and nails. This makes it easier to push back the cuticles and removes any dirt or debris from under the nails. Push back cuticles. Gently push back the cuticles using a cuticle pusher or orange wood stick. Avoid cutting the cuticles, as this can lead to infection and damage to the nail bed. Pushing back the cuticles gives the nails a clean and polished look. Hydrate and moisturize. Apply a nourishing cuticle oil or cream to the cuticles and nails to keep them hydrated and healthy. Massage the product into the nails and surrounding skin to promote blood circulation and stimulate nail growth. Buff for smoothness. Use a nail buffer to gently smooth the surface of the nails, removing any ridges or imperfections. This creates a smooth canvas for polish application and enhances the natural shine of the nails. Apply base coat. Before applying nail polish, always start with a base coat to protect the nails and prevent staining. Choose a base coat that suits your nail type, whether you need strengthening, hydrating, or smoothing properties. Add color. Choose your favorite nail polish color and apply it in thin, even coats, starting from the base of the nail and working towards the tip. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next layer to prevent smudging or streaking. Seal with top coat. Finish your manicure with a top coat to seal in the color and add shine and durability to your nails. A quick-drying top coat can help your manicure last longer and prevent chipping. Maintain and touch up. Keep your nails looking beautiful by maintaining your manicure regularly. Touch up any chips or imperfections with additional polish and top coat as needed. Moisturize your nails and cuticles daily to keep them hydrated and healthy. You can also do nail extensions for more creative and beautiful nails, but it requires proper care and maintenance to ensure that your extensions look stunning and stay healthy. Here are some tips on how to maintain beautiful nails with nail extensions. Choose high-quality extensions. Opt for high-quality nail extensions made from durable materials like acrylic, gel, or polygel. Quality extensions not only look better, but also last longer and are less likely to cause damage to your natural nails. Find a skilled nail technician. Choose a reputable nail technician with experience in applying nail extensions. A skilled technician will ensure that your extensions are applied correctly and securely, minimizing the risk of lifting or breakage. Experiment with nail art. Nail extensions provide a canvas for endless creativity and nail art possibilities. Experiment with different colors, designs, and embellishments to express your style and personality. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily nail care routine, you can maintain healthy, beautiful nails and enjoy long-term nail health. These tips will enhance your overall appearance and make you feel confident and polished.